How to start. Turn key to the middle position until preheat lamp turns off. Then proceed to start the dumper. Lamps will stay on a little longer in the cold. Signal lights and horn are located to the left of the steering wheel. The switch for the beacons is located below and to the right of the steering wheel. The switch under the joystick toggles the machine from forward movement to reverse movement, and the yellow button toggles between the machine's two speeds. Dump box operation. Pushing joystick forward lifts the cargo box. Moving left and right swivel the cargo box. When bringing the cargo box back down to the horizontal position, aim for the V shape as it will pull the box into position. Preparing for transport. Remove the ring and then undo the pin on the left-hand side and remove. Remove pin on the right-hand side and fold the ROP down. There are 4 tie-down points attached to the chassis, 2 in the back and 2 in the front. Basic maintenance. Grease points are indicated on the image below the driver's seat. Open the engine access point by first unlocking it. Lift the panel and prop open. The oil dipstick and air filter are both located in the left-hand side panel. To remove air filter, undo clips and slide it out. Fuel, fuel gauge, and coolant are both located in the right side access panel. Access for refueling requires key.